So I know the one video that you guys have all been waiting for is my haul that I did when I was in Canada. So I spent pretty much all my money in Sephora as well as Walmart. Now, it's not that I haven't been going to Canada for the past 25 years. That creaky noise is my door, forgive me. And I have kind of trying to be a bit smart in the way that I shop, because sometimes when I've gone abroad, for example, you guys know last year when I went to New York, year before I went to New York, went to IMAX, I buy so much stuff because I'm so into the whole I have to have, and then it just sits in my room for a year. So I try to be a lot more smarter this time. I did not go to Shoppers Drug Mart. I went once, realised that Shoppers Drug Mart is actually a lot more expensive than Walmart in terms of drugstore makeup, that I just didn't even bother. And even Sephora, I was kind of let down. You guys will see when I put up my vlog. I did film my vlog. I was there for my birthday. So I will put that up later, but I know you guys wanted to see this one first off. So I've got two massive bags here full of mini bags. So forgive me, I'm just going to show you as I kind of take them out of the bag. So this I got from Sephora. It's from the brand called First Aid Beauty. Now, I've heard a lot of positive things about this brand, but I've never actually bothered to try it myself. So this was a part of their birthday set. And within it, you get a Hello Fab Coconut Smoothie Priming Moisturiser, which you'll see I bought full size, and then I went and bought this. Don't know what's wrong with me. I went to Sephora like 5 times. All different ones. Facial Radiance Pads, and then the famous Ultra Repair Cream. And then obviously it comes in this really cute kind of birthday type of case. And unlike my Korean haul, I have my receipts which are in English, so I can actually tell you how much I paid for some of these things. So this actually cost me $33. Let's not forget Canada's that whole plus tax at the till, which really annoys me, and US. Why don't you just add it on already like we have in the UK? It's so much easier, so you know what you're paying for before you even go to the till. But anyway, $33, which is really good value for money. And then in the same shop, I don't ask me why, I again bought the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturiser because it's safe for sensitive skin and I've got sensitive skin, and this cost $37. So I'm looking forward to trying these. I'm really big on skincare these days. Since I entered my 30s and even now my mid 30s, I've kind of got even more into skincare, because let's be honest, we have no fine lines, we have no wrinkles. We are trying to remain eternally youthful as much as we can. And then I also bought this very squash looking, because it's been in my suitcase obviously. I literally kept it in here for you guys so I can like show it to you how it looks. This is a Sleeping Beauty kit from Laneige. It's called the Sleeping Beauty set. It contains the famous lip sleeping mask, the water sleeping mask, of which if you saw my Korea haul, you would see that I've got the large one because Laneige is a South Korean brand, and then the eye sleeping mask. And then there's something small flying around in there, which I don't actually know what it is. I don't know, something flying around in here. Oh, it looks like an applicator. So I got this set and this cost $32. Laneige we cannot buy in the UK. We can only buy stuff off of Amazon. So when I go to places like Sephora, obviously it's very useful and helpful to me. Also bought the MAC Studio Fix Soft Matte Foundation in NC40. I haven't got it with me, but I have done a review of it. Because I had issues finding foundations out there and I got annoyed and I just went and bought it because I knew that that shade would at least match me. So I haven't got it to show you, but you'll see the review. Okay, from Walmart. Now don't laugh, this is my mum. She gave me a grocery bag so that we wouldn't have to pay for a bag. So I've got a bag full of sheet masks. Lo and behold, how annoyed was I when all these Mediheal masks are sold in Walmart and they cost less than they did in Korea. These cost, I think, $2.42. And I was like, oh my God, Walmart, oh my God, the amount of South Korean skincare they sell. Who knew? Who knew that all that stuff that I bought in South Korea could also be sold in Walmart and cheaper, the majority of them. I bought 4 of these APE soothing masks from Mediheal, 4. And then the Collagen Impact Essential Mask. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we all need collagen for plumping, keeping our skin looking youthful. So I got those. And then these, which yes, you can buy in the UK, but they're a little bit pricier over here. And Walmart was, oh my God, they're falling everywhere. Walmart was doing an offer of 3 for $9. So I bought 3, 6, 9. So I bought 9 of these. And oh, I forgot to even say what they are. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrogel Mask. Excellent. If you can get your hands on this, try it. It's absolutely amazing. Contains hyaluronic acid and it's really great for keeping your skin moisturized. All right, I've got a whole load of makeup from Walmart in front of me. I restocked on the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. My shade is 108 Caramel Beige. The reason why I always restock on these, whether I'm in the US or Canada, is because this shade is not available in the UK, which is really annoying, that you can buy the foundation but not the shade. And I had recently used up my last one, so I bought 2 of these. The new CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. The shade that I've got is T100 Golden Amber. I bought 2 of these. This is a pretty good concealer, everyday sort of concealer. It does crease towards the end of the day, I've noticed, but for a drugstore concealer, it's really nice. The color itself is not brightening on me, and the color below was too bright, so I settled for this one, and then I use a lighter setting powder under the eyes, and then I get that nice brightening effect. I bought 2 of the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipsticks. You guys should know I absolutely love them. Yes, the colours are very similar. But we can't get these shades in the UK. So I got the shade 115 Founder and 120 Artist. These are the kind of shades that flatter Asian brown skins beautifully. These is what I was really looking forward to buying when I was in Canada. It is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipsticks. They are still not available in the UK. I don't know why we're so slow on so many things, yet too fast on other things. Even I saw these in Korea, and they were so expensive that I was like, not getting them. In Shoppers Drug Mart, they cost $18, $19. And yet in Walmart they were like $11 something. So I bought 5 of these shades. I tested all of them. The lighter ones are just too light. So if you want me to do a review with lip swatches of these, let me know below, because I will happily do one when I've got 5 lipsticks. So this first shade that I've got is called Deeply Disturbed, Matador, Rose Blood, Plum Bum, love that name, and Stirred. So that is the majority of the makeup I actually bought. Can you believe it? I think I've got 1 or 2 other things to show you, but are you proud of me? Like, seriously, that's actually not that much if you really, really think about it. One of the main things that I actually wanted from Sephora was these Cover FX monochromatic duos. They sold out immediately in the UK from Beauty Bay, and they've never been released again. And I really struggled to try and find the other one, which I wanted was Honey something, but all I managed to get was the Bronze Duo Matte and Shimmer. These are really pricey, they're $50. And of all the bloody Sephoras I went to, only one had this, and the rest just had maybe 1 or 2 of the actual blush duos. Look how stunning it is. Now, the lady did tell me in Sephora it could be that Cover FX are reformulating it, which is why they're not restocking them, because they're still quite new. But either way, I couldn't wait, so I managed to get my hands on this. Look how stunning that is. It's a nice matte bronzer with a gorgeous golden highlight. Also from Sephora, I picked up the new Benefit Boeing Cakeless Concealer. I bought the shade number 7. Now, number 6 was a bit too neutral for me. My cousin tried it and it kind of suited her more, but she is fairer skin than me. And this is what it looks like now. This color itself is very nice for matching my skin more so than brightening under the eyes, but it performed beautifully well. I did not find that it creased at all, and the fact that I managed to wear this for over 35 hours. I wore this on my way home from Canada to the UK. I was up for about 40 hours and it didn't crease on me, so I'm actually really, really impressed with this. Now, I bought another foundation, which yes, you can buy in the UK, but I just wanted to buy it because all I managed to get was foundations I wasn't really after, and restocks. It's the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. Now, I absolutely love this. When I did my review, I showed you guys the shade Sand. Now, Sand has still got a bit of a neutral hint to it. This shade, on the other hand, Latte, is perfect for me. It's really annoying that this is one of the newer shades, but it's only available as a foundation in this range. It's the perfect warm tone for my skin tone, and it's also an amazing foundation because it keeps me really matte. When we had a heat wave in the UK last year, I wore this every single day and I did not shine or sweat whatsoever, so I was happy to kind of do a repurchase sort of, but in a better shade. I also got this because obviously it was my birthday. It's when it's your birthday, Sephora will generally in your month of your birthday give you something free or offer you something free. My cousin picked this for me. It's the tattoo eyeliner with a setting powder, the Locket setting powder, and a Studded Kiss sample. I haven't even opened it, but thanks Sephora anyway. A couple of Bath and Body Works things. Now, I did actually pick up 4 of the 3-wick candles because the fall collection was out there, but they're really heavy and they were too heavy for my suitcase. So I've actually given them to my parents who are coming home separately. My mum's already been moaning at me that they're too heavy because the 3-wick candles, you can buy one, get one free. And I really wanted to bring them home with me, but I knew that with this amount of weight, I would go over my luggage weight allowance. But anyway, a couple of things that I did bring back with me was this Desert Wildflower Fine Fragrance Mist along with a matching shea butter body cream. This was actually a gift from my cousin's wife. Thank you so much, Fatima, for this. I can't wait to use this. So really happy that I've got this. And then I also picked up a bunch of these antibacterial hand gels. If you ever come to the UK, you will see that we've got scent of hospital, scent of anesthetic, and that's literally about it. And something else which may resemble something else, but it still smells like a hospital to me. That's one of the reasons that whenever I go to Canada or America, I always restock on these. So I can't remember what the offer was, but it was buy 6 for $10 or $15 or something. So I got marshmallow pumpkin latte. I love food like bakery kind of smells. Coconut pumpkin latte, marshmallow pumpkin latte again, coconut pumpkin latte again, vanilla warm sugar, and pumpkin cupcake. So I can't wait to actually use these. I've got the little holder that it comes with, and I've still got some from my last trip, so these were more of a restock. Okay, now the majority of the Walmart skincare stuff is what I've got left to show you guys, and a lot of it is Korean skincare, believe it or not. Oh my god, you guys, the Black Sugar Mask Wash Off by Skin Food. How shocked was I when I saw this for $14 in Walmart? This shocked. I actually bought 4. But my cousin who lives in Blackburn, I sent her one in the post because I love her, and that's what sisters do for each other. Absolutely love this. I had the sample still from Korea. I was so annoyed that while I was there I didn't buy it. I even spent £18 on Amazon to get one for myself. Recently, lo and behold, I go to Canada and they're available for $14. Your girl literally cleared out the shelves. So if you're in Walmart Aurora, Toronto, it's me who kind of emptied out the shelves, literally. It's a bit random. Kiss Jewel Accents, because look, these are all Korean gel nail stickers. I love them. And I'm really loving stickers on top of nails these days. Like gems and things, not like cartoon characters. Well, actually, you know, what am I talking about cartoon characters? Let's ignore that. From the brand called Innisfree, I got their Jeju Volcanic Pure Cleansing Foam. Innisfree is actually a shop which is available in Toronto, but not everywhere. From what I remember, they have got one in the mall which sells a lot of Korean and Japanese skincare. You guys know the one, can't remember the name. And Innisfree is also opening their own shop in the Eaton Centre as well soon. So, did I even go to Innisfree when I was in Korea? I think I went and bought bloody cotton pads. I mean, and Jeju. I was in Jeju Island. Like, you know what? We'll just get past that. Anyway, so I got this cleansing foam. Also from Innisfree, I got the green tea seed cream, which is basically a moisturizing cream for the face. And then I also got from Innisfree the Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. Oh, I forgot this. I got this from Sephora as well, Tatcha, because we can't get Tatcha in the UK. And I love when Sephora does their little sample stuff. So this is the Deep Cleanse and the Water Cream by Tatcha. Probably cost an arm and a leg, but I wanted it anyway. Also from Innisfree, the green tea sleeping masks, because I'm really big on sleeping masks at the moment. Also from Innisfree, the Jeju Volcanic Pore Toner. As you can see, I kind of bought a lot of that volcanic range. I did research beforehand, by the way, and that's why I kind of decided on these items. Also from Innisfree, the green tea seed serum, because serums and essences and, well, anything skincare related, and I'm there. And then from Neutrogena is the Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum. Now, even though we do get Neutrogena in the UK, we don't get a lot of the Hydro Boost range. We just get some things. Like similarly to the L'Oreal foundation, we get some things, but we don't get everything. And this was quite pricey, actually. I think it was like $17, $18, but I still bought it anyway because Neutrogena, Hydro Boost, anything with hyaluronic acid, and that's me. So that's it for my Sephora and my Walmart haul. I hope you guys weren't disappointed and you liked everything that I bought. And on my lips, I'm wearing Huda Beauty's Icon Liquid Lipstick. And what else? I'm using the new Omar Beauty foundation today. I've never tried it before. Looks nice, right? think my shade is T2W. I will do a review on that soon. I'm going to put this video up quite quickly just so you guys can see it. My vlog will come soon. All my other videos, I never post in order, you guys. Sometimes you'll see a video that I posted 6 weeks ago, and then you'll see one I posted the night before. So bear with me. Follow me on Snapchat. Follow me on Instagram so you can see what I'm up to when I show these things, when I bought them, how much they cost, where you can get them, if there are deals on that sort of thing. Other than that, I hope you guys are wonderful and amazing, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.